Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
What is your name?
My name is Edlin Coray.
How old are you?
I'm 27 years old.
Are you married or single?
I'm single.
Edlin, do you have a work experience as a housemaid?
No, ma'am.
No local experience? You never had a chance to work as a housemaid here in the Philippines?
No, ma'am. But I'm willing to learn for
You are willing to learn when you get in Singapore?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So since you do not have experience as a housemaid in the Philippines, since you are applying as a domestic helper, of course it is expected that you know how to work inside the house, right? Can you please tell me what are the household chores you can do?
Cleaning the house. Cleaning the house and cooking, basic cook. And then babysitting.
Babysitting. What are the basic or common Filipino dishes that you can cook?
I can cook adobo and fried fish.
Fried fish, okay. So are you also willing to learn Chinese dishes?
Yes.
Do you have an experience babysitting? You had a chance to work as a babysitter or nanny before?
No, ma'am, but I experienced for my cousins and
Nephews. So your experience is only with your cousins and nephews. So basically, how did you take good care of these cousins and nephews?
I take care of them is to eat, how
You feed them, you give them food.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And to take a bath.
Okay, you give them a bath. Okay, you think you can work in Singapore?
Yes, ma'am.
You think you can work in a, let's say, big house, 3-story house?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to look after babies or children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, Edlin, are you also willing for the 5.5 month salary loan?
Yes.
Which means to say, you won't be receiving any salary for 5.5 months, only allowance of $20. Okay for you?
Yes.
Okay. From the many countries that would deploy domestic workers, why did you choose Singapore?
Singapore is easy to go there because it is an Asian country.
Asian country. So, going to Singapore, you think is easier than the other countries?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, would you please give your future employers a message, or is there anything you would like to tell them?
Hello, ma'am and sir. If you're giving me a chance to work with you, I will promise and do my best to. I will do better my job. And thank you.
Okay, thank you.